Hello, I'm Nate. Today I'm going to introduce you one of our best sellers, a vending machine with 22-inch touch screen. The machine is in white color, payment system is card reader, and there is a printer so customer can receive a receipt. The machine is with spiral good trained. The spiral is selected based on the customer product size. The machine is with elevator, protect the product from dropping. When nobody is buying, the machine will play the advertisement and touch to buy. Inside the buying page, still there are 1/3 of the screen can be used to play advertisement. These are the product pictures, and on the left top this is the slot number, and if the product is out of stock it will show sold out. Let's buy the slot number 34. Customer can directly click 34 or they can click the searching and insert 34. Confirm.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
Tap the card.
Authorizing.
The elevator will go up. Receipt will come out. It will show success at opening the pickup door. Please take your product. Pull the door and take the product. You can make sticker and put your logo to the machine. If you are interested in this vending machine, please contact us.